Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we are going to be going through all of the projects as part of the finale of June's Make-Along for the year of the Make-Alongs. So this month's theme was trying something new or practicing a skill that we would like to get better at. And boy, did you guys not fail to come through with new things. We had everything from learning how to long arm quilt, which is a goal of mine eventually, sometime after I finally finish sewing a quilt top that I'm happy with and think is worth considering long arming. But we had that. We had helical knitting. We had all sorts of different projects getting made. It was an amazing month, you guys. So once again, I want to thank you guys so much for participating with me as part of this working through our stash and trying something new and trying to think about our projects in different ways. So as far as my progress goes, I'll have a picture here of my muddy yellow yarn and my first bobbin of the grays. I did finish the orchids that I started in May as part of the Spook Your Spring Make-Along. And I did set up all of my roving for the first 6 ounces of the grays here. So I'm not done, unfortunately. You know, it's one of those things where time just gets away from you and you don't have nearly as much as you expect to have. I thought I would have a lot more time to sit and relax and chill this month than I did, in fact, actually end up with. So it is what it is. I did get a lot of crocheting done while walking though. So maybe that can be my thing. I'm practicing, I got used to knitting while walking last year. Maybe this month I was really practicing my crocheting while walking. Anyway, I am going to dip out real quick, let you guys see all of the projects that were submitted to the Facebook group, the Ravelry group, my email, as well as DMs. Okay, you guys, so once again, here we are at the end of the month, and all I can think to do is just be shocked, amazed, and in awe at what it is that you guys, number one, the choices that you made to work on this month, as well as what it is that you accomplished in the course of this month. You guys somehow managed to just exceed expectation all the time. I mean, we had, like Eileen here was trying out different joining methods. We had Faith doing long arm quilting. Sunny tried brioche for the first time. We have color work and Sharon's sweater. You guys did not hesitate to jump in and try something new and exciting and really pushing yourselves across different crafts and combining crafts to do different things. And I am so grateful that you guys have decided to play along with me this year, to be part of my community here on YouTube, as well as in the Facebook group, watching you guys support each other and watching you guys learn these things and sharing what it is that you're learning. It really is a gift to me and everybody else that has been joining us along. So I want to, again, thank you guys so much for participating and also for sharing your experience with the group as a whole. So thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to see what it is that you make for the month of July. Again, I want to thank you guys for participating and so far making the year of the Make-Alongs a huge success. July's Make-Along has already been announced. This month we are focusing on single skein or single hank projects, and that way we can keep everything off of us while it's so hot. Those of us who are in the northern hemisphere, it is hot, and not just here, it's kind of hot everywhere, I've noticed. So I am very excited about that. I cannot wait to see what you guys make. I have a feeling that my focus will definitely be those Christmas socks. I cannot wait to cast on the buddy sock. So anyway, I love you guys. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, guys.